Hello and welcome to this quick demo of how to view Amazon CloudWatch data inside WebLOAD dashboard. So to get some background, WebLOAD is CloudView's load testing tool, and the WebLOAD Cloud Dashboard is our web frontend for it. So in the web frontend, you can see load tests as they're running. You can see all the statistics from them. And also, if you're using PMM, which is the performance measurement monitor, if you have them, you can also view them directly in the dashboard because they're just generally accessible in the dashboard. So this would be where we can see all the statistics. And if we have PMM data, we can see here things like CPU, memory, etc. But now we want to show you how we can add external data source to the dashboard, and specifically this would be a data source of type for Amazon CloudWatch. So we're going to use the data source. So here you will have the default WebLOAD data source, but you can add external data sources. We support many different types, but here we want to see CloudWatch data source. I'm going to call it name. And here you're going to give whatever credentials you need. So let's say I'm using my access key and the password. Amazon and the default region to test, and that's how we create the data source. So let's create a new dashboard and use this newly created data source. So we have a new dashboard, we create a graph, and now we're going to edit the panel that we added. So this is where we select the data source. Normally we use the WebLOAD data source, but now we have also CloudWatch. So we can use CloudWatch. I'm going to select the region that I want to use. I have US West 2. Namespace, which is Amazon, what type of thing we want to look. Let's look for my EC2 machines. And we can select what we want to see about them. Let's say CPU utilization. And we can also add dimensions here, like a specific image ID for just that one. So that's about it. And another thing we can do here, we can also mix them. So now we have this panel that's showing information from CloudWatch. We can add another graph now, and that graph can be coming from WebLOAD. So we can see them side by side. So this one can show the load size. So they were now showing the last 6 hours, but let's look at more recent data. So now we can see WebLOAD data and CloudWatch data alongside one another. And we can even do better than that. We can also do a mixed model. So what we can do, we can use a mixed data model. So in mixed, we can have one query, say, coming from WebLOAD, and then we can add another one from CloudWatch. So we have some measurements coming from WebLOAD and some measurements coming from this other, from CloudWatch. Let's do that also. Let's look at instance ID. That's it. Thank you for watching this short demo. Bye bye.